Hello everyone, today is Thursday, July 13th, mid-July. We're going to do a quick garden update, a little check-in of the garden, starting with the new perennial bed, which is basically all weeds. It hasn't done very well. Weeds have really grown. This is kind of cool, the alliums, but yeah, mostly weeds. You can see some thistle. There's lupines are still in there, but they're not really growing. We had a couple of poppies grow, but overall, not so good. So we'll have to try again next year on that. The raspberries are doing quite well, thank you. Got lots of nice fruit on there. Better eat this one. You see they're kind of all over. Makes you wonder what could have been if the rabbits hadn't eaten so many. But that's okay. In the new vegetable bed, our soybeans doing pretty well. The plant's not getting much bigger, but there are beans on there, so that's good. Leeks are kind of small, but they look okay. So no complaint there. We planted badger flame beets here and a summer squash there. Don't see any signs of life yet from those. That's a little worrying, but we'll see. Might have to start them indoors. Now here in the squash, you can see, there's squash everywhere in here. It's looking really good. Some of the leaves are droopy. I don't know what the story is with that. Maybe we just need to water every day. We've been watering pretty much every other day. But yeah, overall pretty excited about all the fruit that we see in there. The corn has inflorescence. It's gone to flower. So hopefully that means we'll start getting cobs developing soon. Been very happy with this all season. All right. Over here, these are the, midnight snack tomato. You can see there's a bunch of tomatoes on there. This just overperforms. It's a very good plant. The tomatoes don't taste great, but it does really well. They're better than anything you're going to get at the grocery store, but not fantastic. Not sure what this tomato is, but you can see there's a bunch of fruit on there. Vermont cranberry bean is looking pretty good. Some peppers coming in here, even though the plant is small. More peppers here. Cayenne pepper, looking a little raggedy. Parsley, carrots. These are the cipollini onions. These are basically ready to pick because the leaves are dying back. Maybe a few more days. And they're going to be pretty small. But that's the nature of this type of onion. So we'll see what happens there. Here's a cauliflower, just getting started. Our scallions. Lemon basil, parsnips, and watermelon radishes are coming along. All right, over here we have our Jolly hybrid tomato, pole beans, some other cherry tomato, sun sugar is what this one is. And then the Mexico midget, there are a few tomatoes coming in. Some peppers here, all peppers. This lettuce we should have picked. Whoops. But the peppers in with it look okay. More peppers. This is a broccoli. Very, very small, but coming in. Carrots, parsnips, dill, which is just plugging along. It was looking pretty bad a couple weeks ago, but it looks okay now. Red meat radishes. More carrots, Italian basil, and chives. In the big bed here, we've got our Wisconsin 55 tomato, several fruit on that. Not sure what this plant is, but several fruit there as well. Basically, most of them have at least one fruit going on them, except some of the slower going ones, some of the bigger plants. Those still waiting for pollination. this is our brandywine. Always tough to pollinate. So we'll have to keep an eye on that. But overall, you know, we're going to get some fruit from everything, so happy with that. And then finally, here's the broccoli. Big, but not looking terribly healthy. We'll hope for the best. And here is the overall view in the evening here. That's it for today, I guess. Thank you very much for watching.